Hello, everybody. I'm Jack Chiodini and from Team 39, and today I'm going to be talking about our ergonomic stand and the gallery method we used for concept generation in order to reiterate some ideas about what we wanted to achieve with the device. So this was achieved with two simultaneous processes of going through looking at some ideas that we might have for the stand and then using those in conjunction with the parameters of the project and what we also wanted to achieve for our customer profile. So up in the top left corner, started out with two different ideas where we were thinking about how we were going to use joints and that motor in order to get this laptop stand moving, whether it be one single fixed point or two for extra mobility, but a little bit loss of structural integrity there. And then moving down, being able to expand on that, using that motor control and using different ball and joint sockets to really get the mobility that we were hoping to desire. And then in the top right corner, expanding on that even further, using a sort of dolly in order to not only get the mobility vertically and horizontally, but also rotationally for the iPad or the laptop for best ergonomics and best ease of use for the professor. And then for the second round of the gallery method, we went a little bit different of a direction and looked more at the specific components and more detail oriented. So in the original two concepts, it was a broad look at what we needed to accomplish for the project, having that ergonomic laptop stand with that air fan and HDMI port connectivity. And then moving down, we thought more about how we were going to use that motor. So you see we had buttons on the side of the laptop stand in order to use a motor to not just have that single joint on the side for horizontal and vertical movement, but we have that motor there to really make that ease of use. And then expanding on that in the bottom right corner with how it sits on the laptop stand itself. Again, being able to use a motor to not just move horizontally and vertically, but also in that rotational and using a motor, very easy access. Thank you.